na NDC fo nhwe ye NDC fo omo nhwe ye se nkofo bi omama kwan aba president ho no omo de asum na ben no na so man hwe ye asofo ni bi omo de asum pa na ben papa no na so oman hwe ye a na yemu bi ya de ensegu yachi ni etena fom na se yeyi ya ho ne ka akira soro a ne ebesi o party ni mu no ebe bu ni padwe o monti ase so because my life was in danger, my family life was in danger. Video call viral mini NDC executive pulling agent executive eja kwanche o mo so them with honorable free yankra so them kentem no. That video put my life in danger. I was on national security radar. I confirmed by me fear they were looking for me to kill.
Free AM Home Care and Nursing Home. No more sure for my own yakwan waduma. We home care and nursing services, elderly day care, medication management, dementia, and Alzheimer care, physiotherapy services, post-surgery care, illness recovery care. Ni nyina ne say, ubusu ani bi kra na bi a wakwaya resabia na yeyi na befie. Na free AM Home Care and Nursing Home for ya 24/7. Wo mu abekwa akokrokro no, ekwan obefa so obefa ni ndro, no mu entertain no. Na wo so na kwan waduma.
Ene AM Home Care and Nursing Home. Sabi na mi pay.
Obutimi krokro busu afokra kire wa umu.
Omo wa hefa.
AM Home Care and Nursing Home. E wo Fanko, Accra, and Sawom Road. Fra 0540 344 837 and 0207 859995.
Senye nyame na frame wo Ghana ha. Enti na mini adamfo omo cartels association meeting. I'm not part of them. I am mebusa say to omo yasofo. They don't have the Christ-like nature in them. Omo ye with differ. Just omo timu sum. They are just evil. Minimum the enti omo ye nyame adwuma. Ghana sofo ni bi. They are very evil. Obetumi sumu afidie sesi a. Ono obetumi asmo bi se onye wo sei, onka sei mfa enku hu fin. And I think they have become a cartel to malign me. Obi frame me catch me say asofo bi say me embo wudi kra wo your radio so. They shouldn't mention my name. Na me say anya hwe because Ghana ha no ye hwehwe ni mu. And we are very hypocrites. Yam pen kware. Na NDC fo nhwe ye. NDC fo omo nhwe ye. Say nkofo bi omama kwan aba president ho no omo de asum na ben no. Na so man hwe ye asofo ni bi omo de asum pa na ben papa no. Na so oman hwe ye a na yemu bi ya de ensegu yachi ni etena fom. Na se yeyi ya ho ne eka akira soro a ne ebesi o party ni mu no ebe buru ni padwe ni omonti ase so because my life was in danger, my family life was in danger. Video call viral mini NDC executive pulling agent executive eja kwanche omo so them with honorable free yankra so them kentem no. That video put my life in danger. I was on national security radar. I confirmed by me fear they were looking for me to kill. Why now bow our friend is a prophet? You don't feel prophet. So she took from cry. Yeah, bawa beda wase.
Ana ada woman ni baby out here now.
Penny ben only me normal. I can mention their names. Apart from honorable free and cross sending me message say they haven't forgotten about me. That is not enough. Because I have seen what they have done. I saw you on Makukom Akwadasi. I have seen it. Now, say when you hear Mawasia Ubano Chrono, my yeni Suminashu. Do you know the people that are making mockery of me?
A man for Sreme.
A man for Sreme. My sofa minimum koya kwanchire. Efrem ya no panie wiane nyume. Assume say e bi a partner mami bibi. E na memfra omo say omo so mbeji omo de. Because ejumayefo fatana ketia. Se mapoto manafia. yenchiri se me so me di bebom na se omo bubo dimpo na komo bo me dimpo a anka me fa ne saa baako MP baako a me bo ano odio ni asikoti ono so onhwe ne ho yie
sir
onhwe ne ho yie papa anyasa memma na flo no bosunsumu
ade
on kaisa oba me nchen enwumre 12 midnight ye yesunsum aduma ama ne baba 3 ansa na wafimi fie ko odododio MP ni asikoti onhwe yie number back number damase sa anyasa memma na flo no MP sa me bua won with time my mom mre me bo mu nyina din na minim na me yetia won
so yes and I would to abone so ka na no
that politicians don't think about you. They don't have your interest at heart. It's about them. Now I have watched that over the years. Yeah, papa when you be baby call Atamils, he did the same thing to me. Mint now men for phone than me quiet. My sorry is in jeopardy. I feel me renting baby just to have a church. My church has been crashed down. Do you know what I have suffered for NDC? Behind the scenes, I know flow be anfa. O took on the honorable free and can never family call once a while. General, they meet me friend on family call.
The national chairman.
My friend 100 times on family call. But a man as some ya na your video no call viral. Na all the media house or Ghana ha. Elpo me chi di matem. Ono no beka sa wo sister station ha. Edi defend the akwanchira ye. So he knows me. Party needing in 32 years anniversary. Many a friend me and me call officiate here. Honorable for swamp of Nyamin Shrano. Nyamin Shrano, my sister we are also boa me. I don't know woman who a friend me akatem say papa. Minim ne wayama party no. Minim ne wayama party no na bompire maye. Hwe nyamye ye ya kire me 2028 ne besi. Ni abekoso no obedi party n'anim nyina. I have it with me. Ma tro mu nyina di egu ho.
Sir. Let us all go so bomb pie the ma NDC.
NDC party your party bia. Nyame me do party no. Etina for all this one member bontin mekasaye. Amaye kom ehwe ne ekoso se anyanya bia omo on kaya. Ombekai abehwehwe mechira kwanya na. But they've proven to me that omo nin kaye. And now software yenim baby omo free buy. They are the one fronting everything. Near Nankia Casam Paiboa will be Babon Payama JDMA. And Yami Hu. But it's rather unfortunate. Said Ghana Hayam Penuquari. Ghana Hayam Penuquari. Ghana we are hypocrites. And the NDC party in show Muye. There is agitation in the party. No munshe ye. Na sumsumuni pa Bible say, touch not my anointed, and do my prophet no harm. Or se men fa san come di for. Na menya mi di for bone. E Nyankopon asem. Enti NDC fo nhwe ye. Ehwehwe nimu na omo ya na omo nhwe ye. Ehwehwe nimu no sa sofo mpanifo ya omo sori tia mo. Ehye nkom say JDM swadaka nan otiche bin JDM sanwo moja na atames wuo onim hu bi and they did not even render an apology to you. NDC for shewon na ye push your agenda. Is that fair? Is that fair? Do you know what you are doing to the other men of God? Omon kasaye omuni kamafo omuni dimafo omuni blogger bia blog omon semama. Do you know what you are doing to them? Na me catch a software ebe nyina any software ho nyina say next time politician bi ba woncha na nyame yi bi fa president bi ho kirew one ne nko agreement mon sign na lawyer mbrem na mo nsan because
na dia wo kan e bemu a
na wo kan bemu a
yeah
Ghanaian politicians are ungrateful omutrimu adin